Today we discuss how to install MATLAB in your system. So first I just go to MATLAB official window. As you see, download and install. Over here you just need to, I already log in. Here is my login. So I just go to MATLAB, click over the MATLAB. Over here I got the symbol, like as you see, install MATLAB. You can open MATLAB online also. So just install. Over here you need to click over the download. Right now I am just using my licensed version. It is purchased by the institute. I just log in through salim@kiet.edu. So over here my download is ready. Just open it. MATLAB R2025A Windows. So just double click over it. Right now it is extracting. A temporary folder is there. So you just need to verify. Yes. Based on your system performance, it will turn on. So in this video, I just show you which toolbox or the toolbox that are required by a electronics, electrical or instrumentation engineer. Now I just need to give my email ID, the password. Let's check it is okay or not. No, it is not okay. Now click over the yes. You need to accept all the terms and condition. Go next. So over here, this is my license, individual, academic. Next. Here is thus it is installed in C program files MATLAB R2025A. Next. So over here in the next window, you just need to select the toolbox that are required, like for electronics, electrical or instrumentation engineer. Simulink is required. Next, you can go with 5G toolbox also in the communication part. Right now, I'm not selecting. Then I just go with the control system toolbox, curve fitting toolbox, data acquisition toolbox. You can go with deep learning toolbox also. Next, fuzzy logic toolbox. After this, you can go with Simscape also. If you want to go with EV, you can select EV toolbox also. Over here, Simscape. I'm just selecting for the Simscape battery line, Simscape drive line, Simscape for electrical. Right now, I just go with these. You can also select fluids multibody also. Simulink control design. You can select Now, after this, in the vehicle dynamics, you can go with vehicle dynamics block set, vehicle network toolbox, wavelet toolbox, wireless toolbox, WLAN toolbox, etc. Right now, I just select these toolbox. Next, over here, you can select add shortcut to tool desktop. It will create a symbol, MATLAB symbol. Next, as you see, it requires 9.46 GB. Begin. Right now, first, it just download. After that, it will just install MATLAB R2025A in your system. So these are the basic steps you just go with. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.